Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to run PHP code in VS Code using XAMPP. Now first of all, you have to install XAMPP as well as Visual Studio Code on your system. I have already created a video on these topics, so link of those videos will be in the description. Now first step here is, after the installation of XAMPP as well as the VS Code, you need to go to your C drive, and here you will find the XAMPP folder. Go inside it by clicking on it. And here you will find this folder htdocs. Click on it, and here create a folder. Let's make it app. Now click on this folder. You need to copy this part at the top. Now you have to open Visual Studio Code. So in the search bar, simply type VS Code and click on it. Now once you have opened the VS Code editor, you need to click on File, and here click on Open Folder. Now here at the top, simply click and paste what you have copied. Then click on this arrow. Then click on Select Folder. Now once you have done that, you need to create a file here. It will be test.php. And here you need a sample PHP code. Let's put a hello world here. That's all what we need. Save this file. Now go to search bar. Type here XAMPP. Click on it. Now here you need to click on Start for the Apache server. So you can see the Apache server is running at port 80 and 443. So let's go to browser. Type here localhost and hit the enter key. Now as you know, the folder that we have created was app. So we need to type here app/test.php. Now once you have done that, simply press enter key, and that's the output. Now if you want to change the content, you can simply go to the PHP file. Let's put code base here. Save it. Now let's go to the browser. Reload the page, and we are getting code base here. So you can use VS Code to edit your code, and you can use XAMPP to run it. So I hope you understood how to utilize VS Code as well as XAMPP to run your PHP code. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.